Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about the ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Vehicle Code Reader. This Automotive OBD2 scanner is a must-have for any car enthusiast or DE mechanic. First off, this scanner is widely recommended by YouTube star Scotty Kilmer, so you know it's a reliable tool. It works on most vehicles sold in the US with a model year of 1996 or newer and supports all OBD protocols. Plus, it displays in multiple languages, making it accessible to a wide range of users. When it comes to functionality, the ANCEL AD410 is a game changer. It quickly reads and clears stored emissions-related codes, pending codes, and displays code definitions. It can even turn off the check engine light, helping you reset the monitor before a smog check. But that's not all. This scanner also supports O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, allowing you to identify and correct problems related to fuel efficiency and vehicle emissions. THEQVGA display and new user interface make using this scanner a breeze. You don't need to be an expert to navigate through the diagnostic functions. It's beginner-friendly and intuitive. And the best part? The ANCEL brand offers lifetime free software updates for this unit, so you'll always have access to the latest bug fixes and new parameters. So, if you're serious about taking care of your car and want to save time and money on diagnostic fees, I highly recommend checking out the ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Vehicle Code Reader. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car-related content.